Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can buy a web hosting for your website. So let's get started. So many new bloggers make the mistake of buying hosting from unreliable companies that they regret this misstep later. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know to buy reliable web hosting and a domain name. So the main focus would be on web hosting. So so for the purpose of this video, I'll be buying hosting from Bluehost, which is an officially recommended hosting for WordPress. As a bonus, Bluehost will get you a one free domain name. So not only this, you will not only will this save you money, it will also allow you to manage everything in one place. So Bluehost offers free SSL certificate, which is must have, and or you also have an option to upgrade to PHP 7.0. So I suggest you to follow along this video and purchase your hosting plan and domain name as outlined here. So before we begin, here are a couple of things you need to have in preparation. So a domain name is like your online address. This is where your blog website lives. You will get one free domain name with Bluehost, or you can say any of your existing domain name if you have already one purchased. Even if you don't need the free domain name, now you can use it later. So if you have not decided on your domain name, you can also use free service like best the name lean domain stem for name station to find a good domain name. So let's talk about payment mode. So when purchasing a web hosting and domain, you can make payment via credit card, debit card, or PayPal, but be sure to have your payment mode on hand. So now let's buy hosting. Okay, the step-by-step to buying a web hosting plan. To begin, head over to Bluehost homepage and click on Get Started now. So this will take you to a page where you will see three packages and from which to choose. I will quickly explain the various package. So if you need my recommendations on one thing, if you are running only one site, then I would highly recommend you to go for basic plan. And if you're running more than one site and plus, and since the price difference between plus and prime package is not much, you should opt for prime. Even if right now you're only hosting one site, with the prime package you can host unlimited sites in future if you need to. So then you have to click slash select in front of the plan you have chosen. So after selecting your plan, you can either choose to get free domain name from Bluehost, or you can use any of your existing domain name. So you can also claim your free domain from domain at a later point. Just email Bluehost customer service team and they will help you out. So if you are using an existing domain name, you need to change the name servers at your registrar to ns1bluehost.com, ns2bluehost.com, If you want to keep things simple and enter domain name you wish to buy in the new domain field, and free domain will be activated with a web hosting plan. So then you have to click here. The next remaining step will be very simple. So this now the important point is selecting the right package. So this part is crucial, and you should pay extra attention here to make sure that you are not overcharged for add-on that you don't need. Choose a hosting package for 24 or 36 months long term. You will notice that price decreases as the tenure increases. So be sure to just select the item options like Site Backup Pro or Site Lock, as you don't really need them. So then you have to complete your hosting purchase. Before you make your payment, I suggest that you scroll up and verify all the information once again. By default, you will see the option to make payment via credit card, but if you want to make payment via PayPal, click on Smart Payment option, but it will add Pay by PayPal option as well. After making payment, you will see another sales page. So you have to ignore this, click on no thanks, and then Dr. Page. On the next page, you will see the confirmation of your hosting package purchase, and you will see a screen like this. So you have to then create a password. So then the final step comes. This is the final step of your web hosting purchase. You can choose a password, or you can use a password generator to create a complex password. I highly recommend copy and paste the password in a safe place and click on paste. So click on create, and that's it. So then you have to log on to your web hosting cPanel, check your email inbox, and you'll find a confirmation email with all of the login information for your web hosting account. So the only thing that will not be included in the email is the password you put in the last step. This is for your security. So you then have to go to the bluehost.com and click on login at the top. So in the login field, you would type your domain name or username and the password which you have chosen or changed it. Then have to click on submit. you will be now inside your Bluehost dashboard, which is optimized for WordPress. So that's it. Congratulations, you just have purchased your web hosting and domain name. So then you have to know a tutorial how you can install WordPress or any other content management system on your website, and I will cover it in the next part of the video. So guys, if you have followed the step mentioned in this video and you have successfully purchased domain as well as hosting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.